Checkpoint 1. Water is heated on a stove. Rank the entropy changes of the water as its temperature rises from A 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, B from 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, and C from 80 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius, greatest first. So in this question, we have to find the change in entropy for these three different temperature sets, right? So for that, we have to use the rule entropy change, which is equal to mCW, which is the specific capacity of the water, multiplied by natural log of T final over T initial. So here they clearly mention water is the material we are going to use for this calculation. So we are not going to bother about the mass and the specific capacity of the water, because we are only focused on the temperature difference. So let's we take the first set. The initial temperature here is 20 degrees Celsius. So we have to convert to Kelvin. So we have to add 273. So here we got the answer as 293 Kelvin. Likewise, I have to find the answer for T final, which is 30. So 30 degrees Celsius plus 273, we got 303. Now, for this, I'm going to use this formula. Only I'm going to consider for the temperature. So we can write these as delta S, which is equal to mCW natural log of final temperature over initial temperature, which is 303 over 293. When I calculated for natural log of 303 over 293, I got the answer here as 0.356. 0.0356 mCW. So this is the answer for the first set. So let's take delta S of A. We have to do the same type of calculation for the remaining two. So let's come for the part B. Initial temperature here is 30 degree. So we have to add 273 to get the answer in terms of Kelvin, which is 303. So better I can write the unit here for Kelvin. And the T final is 35 degrees Celsius plus 273. We got the answer here as 308 Kelvin. So for this temperature change, let's find delta S of B, which is equal to mCW natural log of final temperature minus divided by initial temperature. So that means 308 over 303. Here I got the answer for delta SB, which is equal to 0.016 mCW. And likewise, I have to find the answer for the third. So the initial temperature for the C part here is 80 degrees Celsius. I have to convert it to Kelvin. So I have to add with 273. So 80 plus 273, which is 353 Kelvin. And T final, which is equal to 85 plus 273, which is equal to 358 Kelvin. So for this, I have to find the change in entropy for the third set, which is mCW natural log of the final temperature is 358 Kelvin over 353 Kelvin. So here I got the answer for change in entropy for the third set as 0.014 mCW. So now you can compare the value of delta S for A, B and C. So out of these three, the first one, that means delta S for A sets of the temperature, we got the greatest, and the second greatest is for B, and the last one is C. So how we can give the answer? We can give the answer, the change in entropy for A set is greater, and change in entropy of B is the second greatest, and the last one is change in entropy for C set. So this is the answer for this question. Clear? That's it. Thank you.